Kasco De-icers pull warm water from the bottom to the surface, creating an ice-free area of protection around your boat, dock, pier, or other in-water property. With 3 different sizes and up to 500 feet of power cord, they are the perfect item for protecting in-water structures through harsh winter conditions. Kasco offers de-icer packages in a variety of frequency, voltage, and phase options. Complete packages include GFCI protected control panel and are ETL listed. All units meet UL and CSA safety standards. Kasco's C10 control panel activates the unit anytime the outside temperature drops below a set point. The C20 panel also allows you to schedule a temperature and time of day to run your de-icer. Kasco provides 20-foot mooring ropes for suspended mounting with every product. For angled installation, Kasco offers universal and industrial mounts for purchase. For any questions, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the business will be there to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.